Hey, I got a new car.
That's new?
That's my new car.
I have one too.
Oh, wow. We call mine a buggy. What do you call yours?
A truck.
A truck. So this is my buggy. Would you like to see how the buggy works?
Of course.
Okay, so here we go. Ready? What do you think?
I think that's pretty cool, but it's pretty slow.
Pretty slow. And what would you say about how it moves? It's slow.
And a constant speed.
Constant speed. It's really kind of dull, don't you
Very
think?
dull, actually.
Okay, well, whatever. But I've got some others, if you want to see these.
Bring it on.
Okay, I have another buggy, but this one's a little different. So maybe you'll find this one more impressive.
Okay, that's what we're talking about. We like constant speed, high constant speed.
So these both went at a constant speed.
Correct.
But what's the difference in their motions?
This was faster.
Okay, so the red car was faster than the blue car. Okay, perfect. How about this one? It's a different, this is the first blue car. It's a different blue car.
Oh, that is different. It's going backwards.
It's going backwards.
At a constant speed.
At a constant speed. So all of these cars, actually, we used to call them constant velocity cars. So velocity is, in physics, we say velocity is speed and direction, right? So these were all constant velocity because they went at a constant speed in the same direction. Like this guy only goes backwards, and this guy only went forward fast, and this guy only went forward slow.
I've got something different, though.
Oh, really? Let's see.
Okay, check this out.
Oh, wow. You better do that again. Oh, that is different.
Yeah, it doesn't travel at a constant speed.
Right.
And so we say when something changes its speed, we say that it accelerates.
So could you show me an example of acceleration?
Well, in fact, that's accelerating, but let me show you something else.
Okay.
If I don't wind it up as much, it not only speeds up, but it slows down.
So that's two examples of acceleration.
Yes, speeding up and slowing down.
Oh, cool. So acceleration is when your velocity changes.
Exactly.
Okay, so this is called a constant velocity car. So we have a question for our audience. Is there any way that we could make this car accelerate? So we're going to give our audience a chance to do it. Now, personally, I say no, because its name is a constant velocity car.
Right.
And to accelerate means to change your velocity.
Exactly.
So
this one keeps going in the same direction.
yes.
At the same speed. So how can you possibly have this car accelerate?
Yeah.
Oh, do we have an answer?
I see a yes. Can you suggest how? How could we change so that this constant velocity car becomes an accelerating car, if it's possible at all?
Now, Tobias says yes. You see that?
Oh, if the car is falling, that's interesting.
Exactly. Exactly. That is so great.
Wow, Lucy. How amazing is that? I wasn't expecting that.
I wasn't expecting that either.
I just spent good money for these cars, so we ain't driving.
But we're not doing that. No.
So something else. Is there any other way that we could make the red car accelerate?
Okay, falling.
Yeah. Well, I guess.
Oh, what's that?
Hi.
Oh, that's Luke.
All right. Well, put a motor. Oh, put the motor from Chris's car into this car. Okay,
Excellent.
We could do that.
We could do that.
Let's show you an even simpler way of maybe doing this. Okay, anybody? So all I've got is a string. Is this ringing a bell to anybody? So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the car, and I'm going to hold the string.
But it's not changing its speed.
It's not changing its speed, but what is it doing?
I guess they have to remember that velocity is both speed
and direction. So that's the key. A lot of times we forget that acceleration means to speed up to slow down
Or change direction.
that's it. So this guy, I can make him accelerate by attaching a string, which makes him change direction. By the way, this is going in a circular path, and so we see that there needs to be a force, a push or a pull in towards the center to keep it going.
And in this case, the string is supplying that force.
I wonder what would happen if we cut the string.
Let's see.
Oh, you're prepared.
I'm prepared. Oh, look at it!
Oh, did you see it? I'm not sure the camera caught it, but it went off
On a straight line.
on a straight line. It no longer accelerated. It went at a constant velocity because it didn't have that inward pull.
By the way, what do we call an inward pull?
Well, if I may speak Latin,
Please.
it's called a centripetal force.
Which means center seeking.
Absolutely. So anytime something's going in a circle, we need that inward force.
Now, is it always provided by strings, Diane? Could it be supplied by something else?
I bet it could.
Now, I've got a bowl here and a smaller car, smaller than Diane's, and I'm going to wind it up. Oh, by the way, if I just let it go, it goes in a straight line. No surprise.
Do that over here, Chris, so
Okay.
you can see it go in a straight line.
Whoa, did you see that? Nothing is pulling inward. However, I think the bowl might provide that needed centripetal force.
How can a bowl provide force?
Well,
I
let's
think we
see.
need to
Okay.
keep it back here a little bit more. There you go, perfect. Whoa, baby!
Check that out. I got to do it again.
Do it again.
Oh, you know what? I've got two different cars. I haven't tried this one yet today. Let's see what happens. It may not work. Oh, yeah.
Yes. Okay, so now what was providing that inward force?
Well, we didn't have the string, but we've got a wall that pushes inward.
Okay. Okay.
And you've
cool.
seen without the bowl, the car just goes in a straight line.
Beautiful.
So that's one of the properties of matter. Things tend to go in straight lines unless acted on by an external force.
Yes. All right, well, can we do a different kind of circle?
I think we can. We have a vertical circle.
Woohoo!
Check
Yes.
this out, everyone.
Yeah.
So we've got a loop-to-loop. Now I'm going to bring back the same car that we put in the, the same car we put in the bowl, and we're going to send it into this loop. Now once again, without the track, we'd be in trouble. The car would go in a straight line, but let's see what happens. Yeah.
Yes!
Let's do that again in slow motion.
Okay, it's slow motion. Go. Okay, that will work. We don't have a slow motion camera, Chris,
Okay.
but all right.
Okay, here goes.
Ready?
Yep.
Set, go!
Yeah.
Yes! Yes!
All right. So really no surprise. We've got this track that forces it to go in a circle.
But we have another question for you, I think, Adam, if you can put it up. And that is, we're going to do the ultimate ride.
The ultimate ride.
Could
I'm
you
going to
imagine?
separate the track.
Now, in the United States, we have Six Flags. That's our big amusement park thing. Disney, too, but Six Flags. And they have a lot of these looping roller coasters. Imagine they took the track apart. Can you see the gap there? Yeah. So the question is, what will happen to the car? We're going to run the car again, but now there's no track there. So we'll give you a second.
Yeah, think about that.
Well, so the track was providing that inward force.
That's correct. That's correct.
That you needed to go in a circle. And then when we did this one,
The string.
and I cut it off, it went off on a straight line.
Well, there are the choices, Diane.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Look at somebody says it'll complete the track. Are you
But
kidding?
how can it do that?
How could that possibly happen?
I don't know. These-
Okay, we got B, we've got
Okay.
C.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's see, B is travel in a straight line. Well,
Yeah.
that's what we've seen.
That is what we've seen.
Okay, what else? We got another C.
Yeah. All right. Well, I think.
We better try it.
Yeah.
Now, this is nerve-wracking, folks, I want to
Yeah.
tell you, because I love this car, and I don't want anything to happen to it. Cost, okay,
It's hard to replace.
very expensive, hard to replace.
Okay. Are you ready, sir?
I don't know, my hands are sweaty. All right, wait a minute. Oh, gosh.
All right. Are you ready?
No, not really, but do it. Do it.
Wait. Ignore that.
Yeah.
Ignore that. Okay, here we go. Are you ready now?
Yeah.
Here, I think if you... Okay, ready?
Yeah. Did it do it or did it fall?
Sort of. I think you kind of knocked it at the end.
I know.
In your celebration. All right, one more time.
By the way, they're going to take us off the air soon, but we'll be here doing this all day until we get it right.
It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon here, so we've
got all the time in the world.
All right,
okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, shoot, once more. Oh, this has got to work.
Oh.
As they say, teachers always say, this worked before class.
Put this one down a little bit more.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Give me 5.
All right. Woohoo!
All right,
Thank goodness.
So at the very top, the track was missing, and the question is, who supplied the centripetal force? Well, there is an agent at the top that we don't see, and that agent is? Gravity. So at the very top, gravity pulls straight down, and it's just what we needed for the car to complete the track.
Do you have any other cool circular motion toys?
You know what? I have to show them this.
All right.
This is the cutest thing. Okay, now I don't want it. Okay, I don't want it to take off, because it's wild. Whoa! This guy's wild. Okay, can they see it? Oh!
Yeah, I think they can.
All right. And I've got a little sphere, clear sphere. I'm going to put the car inside. Oh, it's excited.
Oh.
All right, whoa.
Let me turn on the lights.
Look at that.
Woo, baby!
Look, that car is orbiting inside this little plastic sphere. And if I were to open it up, it wouldn't be pretty, because the centripetal force would be absent, and the little car would go into the kitchen.
Yeah.
It would fly away.
Yep.
So notice that it moves beautifully both horizontally and vertically. So this is just one more example of centripetal force changing the motion of an object that wants to go in a straight line.
Now, today we've been using a lot of toy cars because, well, they're just cool, right? So I wanted to show you my new car. So this car is really cool. Let me turn him on here. So this little red car, he's cool, but he comes with a laser, and he follows the laser where you tell it to go. Isn't that cool? But it's even better. Hold on, I gotta move the camera now. It's even better. Go like that.
There you go.
There we go. Pretty good. All right, here we go. Can you see him? He's on the wall. Isn't that just amazing? And you may ask, how does that work? And what we say is, we'll leave that to another time.